Habit of inquiry number 3, analyze data collaboratively. Most teams at Ann and Jelly are currently in the implementing phase on the learning continuum for habit number 3. Teachers are working in collaborative teams and are attempting to assess student work according to common criteria. They are practicing applying the criteria to examples of student work, but they are not yet consistent. The discrepancy is causing some tension among teams. PLCs at Ann and Jelly have been asked to create SMART goals. However, many teachers are wary of setting goals based on improved student learning, or they do not understand why they need to have a SMART goal. Teams at Ann and Jelly have been told to have achievement targets posted for students. However, it is not consistent for all classrooms. These targets are not always posted in student-friendly language for students. Students are not able to articulate these learning targets and describe where they are on their learning journey and what will come next for them in their learning. Some staff members have set narrow goals that can be accomplished. However, when that happens, students are learning less. One higher functioning PLC team utilizes their CFAs as well as a national norm test to set their grade level goals as well as classroom SMART goals for the school year. The grade level goals artifact includes the SMART goals set for our 4th grade team at Ann and Jelly. This artifact shows the SMART goals for literacy, math, and science. This artifact shows the learning targets for the 5th grade standards. It shows the learning targets in student-friendly language. Each class keeps track of the learning targets they have learned by checking them off on their learning target checklist. This artifact shows how one team used common formative assessments to create a checklist for students based on a math strand. One team utilizes this artifact to help students write goals based on their area they need to improve on. This allows students to be actively engaged in their learning. Next, we'll talk about tips for moving forward at Ann and Jelly. In the future at Ann and Jelly, we hope to have all teams set SMART goals based on student improvement. We hope that students will be able to identify where they are on their learning journey. And we hope that teams will gather evidence of student learning on a regular basis and that teams will develop interrelator reliability to inform and improve their practices. We hope that all teams will want to provide students with timely and systematic interventions, whether incorporating SMART goals as a team, creating common formative assessments, or checklists for student goals. Staff members will want to motivate all students to achieve at high levels. In order to accomplish this, teams will collaborate on learning targets, post student-friendly learning targets daily for students, and create SMART goals for their teams. They will effectively communicate with students about their achievement status and improvement.
Created using Powtoon.